Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your Samsung S26. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the settings. Now in those settings, we're going to scroll down to display. Here in the display, we want to make sure that adaptive brightness is enabled, so we can enable it. And once you got a problem with it, you simply disable it and enable it. So this is our auto brightness. Now, what you guys want to do next is simply grab the microfiber cloth, and what you guys want to do with it is clean the ambient light near the front camera. So we got it right here. Now we want to make sure that we get rid of everything that may be blocking it. And after the clean, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and restart the phone to reset the sensors. So we want to refresh them. We want to press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep on holding them until you see the power menu. Tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys in a second once the phone restarts completely. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So open up the settings, now scroll down until you guys see software update, and here click check for updates. As you guys can see, I am on the latest version, so my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. So you update your software to get rid of any old glitches that are laying around on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.